Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Zapier and QuickBooks. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed with the repetitive tasks involved in managing your accounting and financial records? Well, you're not alone. Many businesses struggle with the manual processes of data entry, which can be both time-consuming and prone to errors. However, by integrating Zapier with QuickBooks, you can automate these tasks, saving time and reducing mistakes. This seamless connection allows you to integrate QuickBooks with over 6,000 other apps, streamlining your workflow and ensuring your financial data remains consistent and accurate. So let's dive into how you can set this up and start making your accounting processes more efficient. Firstly, let's get started by logging into your QuickBooks account. If this is your very first time using QuickBooks, you'll need to click the Sign Up option. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with a left side panel. Depending on the subscription plan you've chosen, this interface may look a little different from mine, but don't worry, the steps are generally the same. Now let's locate the My Apps or Apps section on that left panel. Click on Find Apps, where you can search for tools and apps that suit your business needs. You can browse different categories, such as getting customers, managing your workforce, or even by industry, like accounting, administration, entertainment, and more. However, if you're specifically looking for Zapier and can't find it, simply type Zapier into the search bar. It's important to note that QuickBooks does not natively integrate with Zapier right out of the box. We'll need to head over to the Zapier website to set this up. At PMN Online, we've covered numerous tutorials on Zapier automation that you might find useful, so feel free to check those out. On Zapier's site, you'll see an orange button prompting you to connect QuickBooks Online to more than 6,000 apps. Click this button to get started. After clicking, you'll need to choose an app to pair with QuickBooks. Zapier offers many options like Formatter by Zapier, Paths by Zapier, Filter by Zapier, and others. For this tutorial, we'll use the Filter by Zapier integration, but feel free to explore other possibilities that suit your needs. Once you've clicked the orange button, you'll be taken to a new page to create your first Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow between two apps. Go ahead and rename your Zap to keep things organized. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event in QuickBooks. This could be anything from adding a new customer to creating a new bill. For example, let's select the event that triggers when a new customer is added. This choice will depend on your specific needs and goals. After selecting your trigger event, you'll need to choose your QuickBooks account and sign in. Most users will opt for the default production environment, but there's also a sandbox environment for testing, which we'll cover in another video. For now, let's stick with the default production. Make sure all your information is correct and aligns with your QuickBooks data before proceeding. Click Create and authorize the apps to connect. A progress bar will show the status of the connection. Once connected, click Continue to test your trigger. This step is crucial to ensure everything is set up correctly. Automating these processes with Zapier reduces the risk of manual data entry errors, such as typos or miscalculations. With a consistent flow of data between QuickBooks and other apps, your financial records will be more accurate. If you wish to test the trigger again, go ahead and do so to confirm everything is functioning as expected. Once verified, you can keep your customer information in sync across multiple platforms. For instance, when a new customer is added in QuickBooks, Zapier can automatically update your CRM, ensuring data consistency across systems. Back on the Zapier homepage, you can explore predefined templates to automate various tasks, like customer invoicing in QuickBooks and Google Sheets. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the Formatter by Zapier option. Click the orange button again, select your event, and press Continue to test the trigger. Using the Filter or Formatter by Zapier, you can automate data entry and reporting tasks, significantly reducing the workload for your finance team. This automation makes processes more efficient and minimizes the need for manual intervention. It ensures consistent accounting practices, like invoice creation and customer updates, are performed promptly and accurately. Businesses can scale operations, improve team collaboration, and ensure accuracy in their financial data. Finally, choose an event, such as working with dates and times to change formatting or add or subtract items. Once set up, you can sit back and relax as Zapier handles the work for you. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to use Zapier and QuickBooks. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.